Spices. So I have been sick the last couple weeks, so I haven't been able to post for you. And since it's been a little while since I have posted a video, today we are going to be testing out a pizza oven. So if you want to know how to cook some pizza in a pizza oven, let's go spice things up.
I received this Ooni Koda 12 as a gift, and it also comes with this pizza peel, which is actually, you know, a spatula to grab the pizzas. Inside, as you can see, it looks like a really nice one, and it is easy to open. And it comes with a warranty, 1 year warranty. Some of them actually come with, a 2-year warranty. And then some actually, some parts actually a 5-year warranty, as long as you register it. You can use an app with it, which is really neat. This is the pan, the stone pan, and then it comes with this manual. And here it is, pop it out of the box. It is a really nice big box. It's definitely protected. And then here it is. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up. All right, so here is what the pizza oven looks like out of the package. And now we're gonna get all our ingredients together. So we're gonna cook up some Italian sausage, and my son is just putting some sauce on his pizza dough. And then these are some ingredients we're working with. My husband just realized we are out of gas, so we had to go to the store and get some more gas. And here it is firing up. And then you can get any pizza dough at your local grocery store. So we are just making some more. And this is the one that my son made, some garlic crusted pizza. And this is one I made, some pesto on one side and some combo on the other. From testing out this pizza oven, the one thing we would do differently is we would preheat our pizza oven, and we would turn it on full blast and then turn it down when we're gonna put the pizza in. We did not do that, so we kind of burned our pizza a little bit, but the flavor was still amazing. This was still a fun family activity, and we did kind of make a mess. Maybe we won't put flour on our spatula again, but as you can see, it's a little burnt, but it's so good, and my son Aiden totally approves of the pizza, and we'll do this again.
If you guys have used a pizza oven, go ahead and put in the comments below some of your tips, your pro tips for everybody, and then they can look in the comments and learn from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, and see you in the next video.